space to start one of these sequences, how much prep has gone into building a sequence before you get there, and how much is based on the environment itself?
Like, if the director you come to on this set, I have to come around with my stunt team, walk around like an hour, walk around, see how many things I can use. Okay, microphone, okay, table. Then bit by bit, then we sit down, then start. Where's the how do you say, high level, how you start the fight, when you use this, when you use that, at the end, boom, when you use the glasses. So bit by bit, and we write it down all the rhythm. Otherwise, it becomes a bang 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 bang. Finish the audience. Oh, you have the bang 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 bang. No, we have to write it down bit by bit.
Now let's take some audience.
Then we can use the microphone for fighting. Then somehow the microphone is open. Somehow you use like